Cinnamon challenge. Take one.
There's your spoon.
Rachel, that's way too much. I ain't eating that.
Good.
Oh, we need water.
Yeah. Here, you hold that. Oh, I don't have any more.
I feel like I'm not going to succeed this. But I'm going to try my hardest.
Ooh, ha.
Aww.
Kayla! There's your water, my water.
Well, don't move me.
Rachel! Just put it in the sink, kid. Okay. I think you should be closer to the sink.
Rachel, you
What?
haven't even done it.
Yeah, so? I've seen you do it.
You don't know how you're going to react.
Ready?
No?
Wait. Mom! Come watch us.
Why do you have the glasses on?
Because they look cool. Oh no.
I forgot who made those, Jenna?
Yeah, she painted them. Scooch. Okay. Ready?
Countdown. I have
One.
more than you.
Yes, she does.
Fine.
It's okay. Well, then again, there's... It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
1,
2,
3,
go. The sink, the sink, the sink, the sink, Rachel. No throwing up. Oh, it's coming out Kayla's nose. Oh, gross. No throwing up in my sink.
Did I turn this on?
Yeah.
Yes. Get water. Give her some water.
Kayla.
I actually landed it blasted this time.
Who's put it out first?
You. Ha 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 ha.
Well, look. Ew. Ew, it's all over me. Ew! Oh my god. Did you see me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, we're good.
I'm crying.
Becca,
What?
you should show him your tape, your video.
We will.
Oh.
You need something to get out of that taste out of your mouth? Grab a bottle of water or something.
Ah, my tongue is brown.
Like poop.
It's all over my shirt. Oh my god. Both me and Kayla started crying. It's funny.
I'm going to have to leave about a half an hour to get down.
Okay. Oh my god, what did I do with my glasses?
Can we have a banana?
Can we have a banana, Mom? Yeah. Should we stop recording?
In the drawer too. Clementine.
That was horrible.
I know I have to clean this up. See, we didn't make a mess.
No, actually we didn't. So for all who hasn't done this, don't say we're wimps, because that was literally fire in my mouth.
Kayla, just stop.
You got water on my leg.
Good, I hope I did. Ouch.
Rachel, are you still in the kitchen?
Yeah?
Are the eggs boiling yet?
Kinda.